What's up guys, Kyle here, coming back to you with another video. Dylan had asked me to shoot another video for y'all, so that's exactly what I'm doing. Today's video is going to be titled 5 Mistakes that New Uber Eats Drivers Make. But before I get into the video today, if you could just smash the like button, and if you like these videos, you want to stay up to date with them, go ahead and click subscribe. So 5 mistakes that new Uber Eats drivers make. Tip number 1, or mistake number 1 rather, is you park in illegal spots. You know, you're doing Uber Eats to get money, and you know, you're doing it as a side hustle, full-time hustle, whatever it is that you're doing. And one of the things that you don't want to do is park in an illegal spot, because that could be, you know, your whole day's pay from Uber Eats in literally one parking ticket. So I know it can be very easy to fall into the temptation of, let me just, you know, pull here real quick. No one will notice. It's much better to lay on the side of caution than being reckless like that. So even if it takes a little bit, and if you can't find a spot, one thing that I would recommend is even just calling the customer and saying, hey, there's no spots, and I can't park illegally here. Is there a place that I can park, or will you be able to meet me down at the car? So those would be some suggestions that I would, suggest you employ. Mistake number 2 is driving at the wrong times. You know, we'll drive at times that are not really conducive to making money. Like, you're probably not going to make a lot of money starting your day at 7 a.m. And doing Uber Eats. So 2 times that I'd recommend would be, 1, look into the lunchtime. So maybe like that 11 to 2 spot and that 5 to 9 spot could be really good. Although might vary a little bit in your area. So I would just suggest that you look up what are some hot spots in your area and test things out. But obviously use common sense. And some of the times like 5 a.m., 7 a.m., like 1 a.m. might not be the best. Mistake number 3. Mistake number 3 is just forgetting your utensils, forgetting the sauce, forgetting the napkins. Always err on the side of over preparing than under preparing. So an example would be, you know, make it a habit that every single time you pick up an order, you look for napkins, you look for, you grab napkins, you grab the sauce, and you grab the utensils. And, just doing that can make life a lot easier and could also make it better. So you hopefully get more tips. So, hey, I got some extra sauces. Hey, I got some extra utensils in case you need any. Hey, I brought you some extra napkins, and just letting the customer know. So that would be mistake number 3 that a lot of people make. I remember I had a friend who brought someone, I think like chicken nuggets or something, and forgot sauce. Like, who wants to eat really dry nuggets? You know? So that's mistake number 3. Mistake number 4, don't leave your battery on. If you're in between trips, don't let your battery just run. I know it could be, you know, good to charge your phone and all that, but you know, if sometimes you keep your battery running too long, your battery could die. So just be aware of that. So that would be mistake number 4. And mistake number 5 is just not utilizing the time that you have, right? What do you want to get out of driving for Uber Eats? Get really clear on what that is. And then how can you use this time to make it more conducive for your goals? So for example, if you're an actor, maybe you listen to acting, videos, or you listen to a podcast, or you listen to an audiobook. Like, take the time to just educate yourself, or do things that inspire you, or listen to music that inspires you. Make the most out of this time that you have. So those are my 5 tips. Once again, my name is Kyle. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And make sure you subscribe, stay up to date for all the new videos that are going to be released. All right, bye.